Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you all so much for coming by. This is a place for Uber and Lyft drivers to learn how to make more money and be better rideshare drivers. I know it's been a little bit of a while since I've sat down and posted with you guys, but I did want to make this quick update because I just went to the Uber Hub. I am currently sitting here right now. I don't know if you guys can really see it. Well, yeah, I don't think you can see it at all, but you know what? Maybe I should just show you guys really quickly what it looks like over here, so you guys know. It is sunlight right now, or almost sunset. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go inside and try to show you guys the inside. I'm gonna try to keep my phone down, but this place is pretty cool. I just wanted to show you guys what Uber looks like at the fanciest Uber hub in Orange County, California. But yeah, this is the Uber hub right there. It's really nice inside. I don't know, maybe I can just show you guys. Well, okay, so here it is, guys. This place is super modern looking. Uber signs. This is where they do the Uber inspections. Quick question. Do you guys have like extra stickers I could grab? Uber stickers? I got 20. I'll give you a tip. I like your hair, dude. That's sick. Thank you. For sure. Yeah, you too, buddy. It's kind of a tough one on our end. I'm not yelling at you. I'm just yelling at the fact that I could have gotten it done for free. Like if you said, if you told me that it's been this way for the last 3 years, I wouldn't have been like, I had a different reaction if I like missed it by a couple of days. I'm pretty sure I'm not on payments on it anyway. I want to make sure I have all the paper. I need all the paperwork to fill in. Registration, primary. Yeah. Alright guys, that was the Uber Hub. Sorry, that was like filming. I got kind of scared when I was filming in there. I don't want anybody to see me because I'm pretty sure you're not allowed to film in there, but that's what it looks like generally. Yeah, there's a bunch of like, well, maybe I'll do a little voiceover, but there's a bunch of seating area. It's really nice and it's not very busy. Anyways, I was just there to meet with Uber and it went really good, so stay tuned for that. But I did also just want to say, Uber is now charging for inspections. This is, I haven't heard about this. I literally think they just started this yesterday. I will put up the sign. I took a picture of it just so I could show you guys. I snuck a little photo on and actually left my flash on. So that was pretty funny. But yeah, Uber is now stopping doing free inspections. So before, I have never actually ever paid for an inspection. I think I've only gotten once or twice so far since I've been a driver. I know with Lyft I've done 2 already. I don't know, I've lost count, but they've always been free. But now Uber is charging 20 bucks. And I guess also they used to do reimbursements. As you can see in the picture, it looks like they used to do reimbursements. But I don't have it because I'm filming on my phone because I didn't bring my camera or anything. But yeah, sorry, this is bugging me. This is my little, guys, I'm addicted to these things. Car fresheners. Yeah, but basically, the guy said it's because of AB5. If you don't know what AB5 is, it's the law that passed that requires Uber drivers to be, well, not Uber drivers, but like gig workers to become employees by companies. So I'm assuming because Uber did not agree with that they're now not, they want to make us drivers look more like contract workers, so they're not paying for those things. So yeah, now they're charging $20 for those, which is a lot of, actually, when you think about it, it's a lot of money, because every single driver has to get an inspection, and you can't, it's now a 19-point inspection. It looked like before it was 12 points. So before, when you would go get an inspection, you can't just go to a normal mechanic to get that inspection and like have him write it off. You would have to go to, well, you do have to go to like a state issued place, which those are not very common, and I actually couldn't even find any in my area. I didn't search that hard because I was like, oh, I'll just go to Uber because it's free anyway. But what I was saying is that every single person who signs up is gonna have to pay $20 stinking, which is crazy. And oh yeah, by the way, the inspection is just so you guys know, I did make a video on that. Basically, all they do is check, make sure your blinkers work, check to make sure that, you know, your car doesn't have any huge dents or anything. Even if you have a brand new car, you still have to get your car inspected. They make sure that your horn works, your windows roll down, they make sure your seatbelts work, they make sure you have, you know, enough seatbelts. They make sure that your emergency lights work, your backup lights, your front lights, headlights. Basically, they just, yeah, I don't know. It's just basically to make sure your car's safe, and they do that once a year. So yeah, that's how it works. But yeah, now they're charging for it. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update, and then also tell you guys why I think that's important, because that is, I don't know if he was supposed to tell me why they did that, why they're doing that. I understand that they can say that they are doing it, but I didn't even ask him. I was just like, oh, how much is it going to be? And he's like, $20. And I'm like, oh, it's not free anymore? He's like, because obviously of the sign. And he was like, no, because of AB5. And I was like, oh, I don't know if you're supposed to say that. Why? Because if you guys don't know, Uber's in a huge lawsuit with the California government. Well, not the government, but they're in lawsuits with people who are suing Uber because, like, I think even Jay Crader, I don't want to, you know, say anything wrongful information, but I know he was trying to sue Uber for his lost wages because of all the times that he wasn't an employee driving, which, you know, so that being said, Uber is still not trying to, well, maybe they don't care if people know. They don't want to make drivers employees. They're very clear about that. They spent $30 million. Uber, Lyft, and DoorDash each spent $30 million. So $90 million total to make drivers employees, or to keep drivers from being employees, sorry. So this is just a big, like, sign that, yeah, drivers are not going to become employees in California. They're already charging drivers for inspections as if they are contract workers. That's what it seems like to me. I could be wrong, but let me know your thoughts down below. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching this video. I just want to give you that quick update. You guys are the best. I will talk to y'all soon. Leave the video a big thumbs up. Later, guys. Peace.